So I found it helpful. I mean, if you're looking to get out there and tackle this kind of stuff yourself, probably 95% of the problem is just figuring out what to do. Once you know what to do, you just, I mean, you turn the wrenches, you figure it out. Okay, I got a 2017 Honda Rubicon 4x4. Pulling a lot of weight with this tank on the back and a trailer full of stuff. What ended up happening, the rear yoke is out, completely blown apart. So what I'll show you what to do, how to take this apart, how to get the shaft out, pull the rear diff back. Basically took the wheel off, took the bolt out at the bottom of the shock, dropped the A-arm, inner two bolts, take out the bolts for the differential. The differential will pull back. And once the differential pulls back, then you can get that yoke easily. So I got this new OEM yoke assembly. It's about 80 bucks. I had it shipped because right now stuff's super hard to find. Everything's on back order. Parts and stuff are really ridiculous to get. But basically slap this in the engine, slap this in here, push it all together, slap this back on the differential there, and then just push everything up nice and tight. I can show you the most difficult thing for me was this longer bolt. I think this guy here. It actually goes through underneath this bottom control arm or A-arm. And so that's why, you know, removing that allows you to move this out of the way and you can get that bolt in and out of there. Other than this, yeah, it's probably not worth showing a whole lot other than just knowing, I mean, this is the way I did it. Probably took me, you know, about an hour to get this apart. With a video like this, you should be able to tackle it in a lot less time, at least knowing what you got to go after. So just a comment on getting it back together. I got it all in there. Start with the back shaft, get that in the differential first. Then I put the yoke on that shaft and then made sure everything was pushed back to get the yoke on the engine shaft, on the output shaft. And in doing so, I kind of had to lift the differential up out of the mounting locations. You know, tap on it a little bit, get it loosened up, get it to come out. Push it the other side here. Get the other side out of the mounting hole, you can see down there. And that's enough to just slide this back, you know, pull it back as far as it can go. And then now that the shaft and everything and the yoke assembly is back together, just wiggle that back up, put the bolts in, tighten everything down, put the wheel on, should be good. Yeah, brah. Oh, dang it. Okay, it's the last one. It took a little tapping to get it up and out and back like I showed. And then to get it back, took a little tapping. I mean, this is not flattened out or anything, it just took some of the dirt away. But just lightly tap on this and it'll go back into place. I got the bolts in, already got the front bolt in, the nut on. Tighten her all up, the hard part's done. Throw the arm on, throw the shock bolt in, put the wheel on. And my phone there. Yeah, so just again show you, it's all in. This boot, I do gotta pull that boot back over there, but other than that, yeah, not too bad of a job.